Good afternoon, Jordan Foster. Damian Alvarez here. Today we're going to talk about stairs or ramps and when we need them. So when dealing with stairs and ramps, you're always going to need them when we have a break in elevation of 19 inches or more. If you're going to use stairs, they have to be uniform and they can't vary from more than 1/4 inch. After you have 4 stairs or they go more than 30 inches tall, you have to have rails. Technically you only need 1 rail, but it's always best practice to put 2 rails. And both rails have to be uniform like they are here. So when working with stairs and they have a stair rail, it's important to remember that it has to be no less than 30 inches tall. And also we have to remember that the stairs or the ramp cannot be less than 30 degrees and not more than 50 degrees in angle. So we have to remember that these are just a couple of things about stairways and ramps. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your superintendent, your foreman, or your safety representative on your construction site.